Let's talk about clauses. Clauses are a very basic concept in English sentences, and understanding clauses will help you build sentences. And if you can build a variety of sentences, then you can accomplish even larger tasks like putting together a solid essay or even writing work emails, for example. So what is a clause? A clause is a group of related words containing a subject and a verb. Let's look at some examples. Each one of these examples has a subject and a verb. I like to go to the beach in the morning. She is studying at home right now. He has lived in Santa Monica for 3 years. Students should study for at least 20 to 30 hours per week. Let's look at the types of clauses. There are 2. There are independent clauses and dependent clauses. Let's look at independent clauses. Now, independent clauses can stand alone as a complete idea or a complete thought. Here are some examples. She drinks coffee every morning. He has miso soup for breakfast. They are studying English and Russian. The students can earn A's in their classes. These are all independent clauses, and each one contains a subject and a verb. Okay, dependent clauses. First, they cannot stand alone as a complete idea. They don't make sense by themselves. They must be attached to an independent clause. They are attached to independent clauses by words such as because, since, if, that, when, whether, although. Some examples. She drinks coffee every morning because she is tired in the morning. So this last underlined part is the dependent clause, because she is tired in the morning. He has miso soup for breakfast when he is in Japan. They are studying Russian because their parents are Russian. The students can earn A's if they study well. So these are the dependent clauses. They each begin with a signal word like because, when, and if. They're clauses because they contain subjects and verbs, just like the main independent clauses. So you have independent clauses, can stand alone, they make sense, and then you have dependent clauses, which cannot stand alone, and they don't make sense all by themselves. So these need to be connected. The dependent clauses need to be attached to the independent clauses. So one word of warning. A dependent clause can never be written without an independent clause. So for example, we wouldn't say, because she is tired in the morning. You're just telling me a cause, but I don't know what it's related to. She drinks coffee every morning. Because she is tired in the morning. So the cause is she is tired in the morning, and the result is she drinks coffee. So now you have a complete idea. So again, on its own, this first dependent clause cannot stand alone. It doesn't make sense, and it needs to be attached to an independent clause.